According to the Trade Ministry, the 2013 civil war in South Sudan caused a steady decrease in Uganda's exports from $414 million, about 1.3 trillion shillings, to $385 million, or 1.2 trillion Ugandan shillings in 2014, and $353 million, about 1.1 trillion shillings in 2015. And for these, the manufacturing sector bore the brunt.
We have lost out on sales to South Sudan. The whole of Uganda in all the products has lost out on that export revenue. But then what we have seen is that there are other markets which are faring quite strongly. For example, Rwanda. Rwanda, in terms of exports, has contributed quite significantly to our share of total exports, and DRC is also a very big opportunity for us. DRC, the population is growing so rapidly, and not only there, but in all export countries. So we have also started exporting to northern Tanzania. There is a route through Mwanza, through the lake, where we export to Bukoba and other areas as well.
Even then, faced with challenges like high operational costs on power, strong competition from imported products, low purchasing power of the domestic market, sector players now have their sights set on key infrastructure projects, for instance, the oil refinery and the standard gauge railway, to bridge the demand gap.
Actually, Karuma and Isimba have placed an order, but then if you see, only about 9% has been procured locally so far for these projects, which is not enough. Kenya is insisting on 40% local content, and I think that would be a good start. But why leave it at that? If we can supply 60%, we should be given an opportunity to do so. Karuma and Isimba had not been supporting, but now they have started placing orders, and this is because of the pressure from the government of Uganda. So now, with the new project, there is a committee in place, for example, with SGR. Ministry of Works is very energetic in this. They have gone ahead and shortlisted all the potential suppliers for the project. They have mapped out all the capacities, and they are very professional in terms of planning for what component can be sourced locally.
Shocks notwithstanding, the manufacturing sector is confident that the country's $4 billion construction sector will help stimulate growth going forward.